Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sort your emails in Gmail by date. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you have to open your Gmail in any of your browsers. I have this Chrome shortcut of Gmail, so I'll open that. And after opening your Gmail on your computer, you just simply have to click into this button right here. And after clicking there, you will get so many options. You can see this date with an option here. You just simply have to select the date range into here. And after selecting the date range, you just simply have to click into this search button here. And your email will successfully be sorted by date. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.